German Chancellor Olaf Scholz coalition fractured after firing Finance Minister Christian Lindner, sparking an agreement for early German elections now set potentially for February the 23rd. Scholz will face a confidence vote on December the 16th, leading to the election if he loses. The opposition's conservative leader, led by Friedrich Merz, is currently polling ahead, while support for Scholz's SPD has declined. So economic challenges, including a struggling manufacturing sector, weak investor confidence, and general business leaders calling for stability amidst global uncertainty, has put pressure on the euro-dollar alongside the so-called Trump trade on expectations of higher US interest rates. Now, just using Seasonax event feature, you can just see the impact of the euro-dollar over the last 5 German elections over the last 24 years. Every one of them has resulted in euro-dollar downside from the day before to 3 days after the event. The trend shows a consistent decline in the euro-dollar pair, with the annualized return down 43% and an average fall of just under 0.9%. So it is a pretty marked trend of euro-dollar weakness. So the data suggests a bearish pattern for euro-dollar around the event. So that also is helpful because if you take a look at the euro-dollar pair, you can see technically that we are sitting around that big 10500 level. So if there is the chances of a German snap election fade and that doesn't come to pass, then you could easily see a short relief rally in the euro-dollar pair. So it's certainly worth being aware of it. Remember, don't just trade it, Seasonax it, sign up here at Seasonax for literally thousands more seasonal insights that are just waiting to be revealed. There's all sorts of trade risk with this outlook. The main risk is from other geopolitical issues that can also influence the euro-dollar pair, mainly those from the US.